This is PlaytestCloud, and what this website allows you is to make money by just testing video games out. Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Back with another video. Useful websites that you should use or you can make money with. I'm not sure what exactly part this video is because I've made a few other videos too, but this is another useful one for all the gamers out there who are trying to make a little bit of money out every week. So you can do that with this website. So this is PlaytestCloud, and what this website allows you is to make money by just testing video games out. This is a legitimate website. Whatever website that I will share with you, you don't have to worry about it. 100% legitimate. You will get paid at the end of the day. So you don't have to worry about like, is this real or not? Because I've tried it and I'll show you in a bit that I actually made money out of this website. So PlaytestCloud is the name. All you have to do is go PlaytestCloud.com and you have to click this in the corner right here, become a tester. And that will allow you to become a tester with the PlaytestCloud website. You don't have to be of a certain age. That is the best thing about it. Doesn't ask you for a bank account or anything like that. No financial information. Does not ask you for your ID. Just asks you where you're from, the country, and I think they are actually hiring people mostly from United States and Canada. If you're outside that region, you might not be getting a lot of tests every week, so just keep that in mind. Anyway, you can click on products and see they actually offer products to game developers, and you can actually get your game tested through them. They have pricing and stuff like that, but we are interested in becoming a tester, right? So why are we actually looking at this? But yeah, you can just check out their prices and stuff. Let's actually get on to the main thing. So when you click on becoming a tester, all it asks you is an email ID, your full name. So over here, you kind of want to put all the games you play and all the games you do not play. Because as a gamer, you can actually test every game, to be honest. There are games that we don't play, but we still kind of know, or we have the hang of it, what we can test. And I think we can test pretty much every game. If you've been playing games for a while, you can test whatever game they throw on you. So put as many games as you can. Also, make sure you actually click every single device that you have. Now, if you do not have an Android, just don't put Android, because certain tests would be for Android people only. And if you don't have an iPhone or an iOS device, you might not want to put the iOS device. So this is something where you should not actually lie to the company, because when they email you a test, if it's an iOS test, then you can't use your Android device. So make sure you actually put this information true so you can get the test, but you actually can test. Put the right device, and I would recommend you have something above iPhone 8 Plus, because that would actually give you more tests. Put the Android device that you have, and I have a Windows PC and a MacBook too, so I put both of them. But honestly, the most of the tests that they throw out, that they give you using emails, they're mostly iPhone tests. Because a lot of people who are making games, they want to make Android or iOS games. The small developers I'm talking about. Country you live in, gender, your date of birth, and that is it. Boom. Now, when you actually sign up, they will actually send you an email, and you'll have to test the game and give them a demo. In that demo, you'll actually have to talk a little bit, and you can actually just make money testing games. And I'm going to show you the game right about here. So this is the game. Let me see if you can actually see this. So you see this game in the corner, Jelly, or what does it say? It says Jelly Splash. This is the game that you will actually test in your playtest demo. So it's a game like Candy Crush. So if you want to practice, just play Candy Crush a little bit and talk about that. And they'll actually ask you to just play the game for a bit, I think 15 minutes or so, and then you can start testing the game. and I think they will let you know in a day, and they would approve you, and then you'll start getting emails from them, and then you can just play games and test, and you get paid like $11 a test for 30 minutes. And I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's actually really bad, because if throughout the week they send you like two tests and you just have to spend half an hour using your microphone, you can just use a hand-free or an AirPod if you have anything, but you need to use an external microphone. So I mean, if you spend like half an hour and get $11, that's not bad. And they send you money through PayPal, so totally legitimate, guys. Check it out. Go sign up for PlaytestCloud. $11 is the true amount. I saw on TikToks a few guys promoting this. They were telling people that the website is going to pay you $35 an hour. Not true at all, guys. Not true at all. When you make an account through PlaytestCloud, you can't even actually log into your account and you have a series of or list of tests available. No. Whenever there's a test available, they will actually reach out to you through email. So you can't actually log in and find work. It's not like that. They will send you a test and only then you get paid. If you get selected for it, you have to fill out a survey before you actually give out a test. So yeah, it's not something you can do full time. It's something that if you play games, why not once in a while get paid for it and then probably spend that money wherever you want. But yeah, you can make around about, the true estimate would be $40 to $50 a month. If you do like 4 tests or 4 or 5 tests, you would get paid something like that. But no, you won't be able to make a lot of money out of it. But yeah, something as a side hustle. Check your emails. If it pops out, you make $11 for half an hour. Easy work, and they will pay you as long as you speak and just describe the game and test it out a little bit. They would pay you. It's not like they would deactivate your account and won't pay you. It's not like that. So guys, PlaytestCloud, check it out. And I'll be coming up with another side hustle. Most of the videos that I actually share on my channel is from other TikTokers or other YouTubers describing something of value, and I actually share that, and I let you know that this is their content, and you can actually go and subscribe or follow them. And yeah, this is it. PlaytestCloud, check it out. Let me know in the comments if you get approved and you're actually making money out of it, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Subscribe, and yeah, I always post useful stuff on my channel, a few gaming videos as well, because I love gaming, and product reviewing is also something that I do. But yeah, subscribe, and so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm really excited that you guys would be making a few extra bucks using this. So check it out, guys. I'll see you in the next one.